Hey there! I wanted to take a moment to share something truly special with you all. As a holistic lifestyle coach, I've had the privilege of witnessing the incredible strength and resilience of women, especially during pivotal moments in their lives. And one of those moments, perimenopause and menopause. It's a phase that often gets overshadowed, dismissed, or worse, treated as taboo. And that's why I'm beyond thrilled to introduce to you our brand new initiative, Feel Great for Mid-Age. Feel Great isn't just a program, it's a lifeline. It's a community of love, support, and understanding for women navigating the roller coaster ride of perimenopause and menopause. In our dedicated Facebook group, we've created a safe haven, a place where women can come together and share their stories and seek advice and find solace in knowing they're not alone. So, if you're nodding along, feeling seen, or simply curious about what's in store, I invite you to join us. Follow the link to get our free nutritional guide as our gift to you, and let's embark on this journey together, supporting, uplifting, and empowering one another every step of the way. Because trust me, you are not alone, and together, we've got this.